Hello everyone, welcome once again. Let's continue our chapter. Okay, here I am going to discuss about effect of heat on matter. So, heat can reduce intermolecular force of attraction between particles present inside the matter. Let us study with the help of experiment. Okay, so solid. Whenever we provide heat to any solid, it will converted into liquid. Means there is process of melting takes place. Solid melting to the liquid. Or whenever we provide heat to any liquid, it boiled up. There is process of boiling takes place, and liquid will convert into gas. Okay, so what is the example? Let us study with the help of an example. Ice. You can take the example of ice, or in similar you can put wax also. Whenever ice come in contact of heat, it converted into liquid, or whenever liquid is heated up, it converted into gas. Now here we have raised the temperature in the form of heat. Let us do the experiment and assume it as an experiment where we cool down the temperature and temperature will be low. So on giving low temperature to the gas converted into liquid. Okay, whenever temperature is low, gas cool down and condensed into liquid, and whenever liquid is cooled, it solidified into solid. Okay, so this process is called solidification. Let us study with an example. Gas. Assume whenever food is cooked and you covered it by any plate, after removing the cooked food earthen from the flame, and after some time whenever you open the plate, you see that inside the plate there is water droplets present. So during the cooking of food, gas come out. I have told you na that liquid converted into gas, and during cooking generally you put water to cook the food na. So gas come out from food, and that gas come in contact of plate surface, and whenever that plate come to the cool temperature, cool air contact, that gas converted into water droplet called liquid. So this process is called condensation. Now take the example of liquid into solid. Whenever you put a liquid wax to be cooled down, it solidified into solid. Okay, so this process is called solidification. There is one more process called sublimation. What is sublimation? Sublimation is such type of process in which some solid directly converted into gas without taking the form of liquid. Okay, for example, camphor. You can call it kapoor in Hindi. Okay, so camphor, whenever you heat camphor or at a certain temperature, camphor converted directly into gas. Another example is naphthalene ball, which your mother put in the cloth. Naphthalene ball is a natural insect repellent, and okay, so after some time that naphthalene ball gradually become small, and where it gone? it actually gradually converted into gas and gone in the atmosphere or air. So there are some solid which are directly converted into gas without taking the form of liquid. Such type of process is called sublimation. We will continue this chapter in next lecture video. Thank you so much.